So today I'm going to be meeting up with a couple of friends of mine, really. Maybe one or two, who knows how many, or who knows how many. But anyways, for right now we're just going to meet up with a friend of mine. I'm not sure he's bringing anybody else. But yeah. And we're going to Lake. You know what, I already forgot what it's called. Unbelievable. Whew, that scared me. For a second I was like, well, I'm gonna get it. I like this car like that. I really do. Oh, you know what? This is where I kind of got hit before on my Ninja 250. Oh my god, that reminds me of so many places. It was right over there too. Right over there. Now to find a spot. I don't know a good spot. Hey, some guy got a razor. That's cool. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just park right here. Come on, old ass guy. Out of my way. Alright, well, I guess I got here a little early. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Are you okay with being on YouTube?
What?
Are you okay with being on YouTube?
Yeah.
Showing your whole face?
Oh well. Cops already know what I look like. No.
And I see you copy my helmet that I got with the exact same visor.
Yeah, I need to get a new visor. It gets tinted like super easily. I mean, scratched. Like it has a bunch of scratches in it.
Yeah, that's the thing with mirror visors. They scratch really easily, so you just gotta be really careful with it.
Yeah. And then at night you can't see shit, so I gotta change it out for the clear one. Like, if I ever want to ride to work, I gotta go at 4 a.m. when it's dark outside, you know? So. Yeah,
that's why I wear glasses.
Yeah. Well, I don't need glasses, just like the tint makes it too dark at night, you can't see shit.
Yeah.
You gotta put the clear visor back on, and then you gotta switch it back and forth. Amy has the K3, but I don't like that one. I like the wing on the back, it looks really nice.
And it helps a lot with buffeting.
Yeah, let me just look at the route one more time and then we could go.
You can't connect your phone to your
I can, but the GPS sucks balls.
Huh?
The GPS sucks, it's always like late.
Oh, it's like
delays all the time.
Yeah, like turn right after we just missed the exit.
Yeah.
Anytime now. It's like anytime. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's go. I'm following you, so don't get too fast.
Alright.
I have my phone, which is a good thing. But you know how I am with directions. We just make that one turn. Hey, I'm lost. This is gonna be an adventure. Sure he is. is going to really happen over here. So I'll skip fast forward a little bit. Maybe some nice video. No, montage, whatever. Damn, look at the size of that thing. What is that? A house or something? Hey, I see another rider behind us. Crashing into several cars and got a huge loss against him for that. Fun fact, so don't hold your breath under the bridge. Or don't hold your breath for any reason at all. Unless you're water. That's about it. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Or some sort of toxic place. Patrick, wait up! God damn it! Like every time, look, here we go again. I am willing to bet. Every time in the course, in these type of bait turns, he would always try to speed on ahead. I was like, Patrick, I don't have a fast bike whenever. Didn't caught it, but let me tell you what just happened. So right behind it, there was a cop that there was a state trooper that had his lights on, right? And then I could see him almost a mile away, and so fucking Patrick's like, oh, that boy, that's a cop there. Thanks, I can't see that, but it's all good. Red fish, blue fish, screening. I can't see what that was in the end. have a intercom or anything like that. So we both had to pull over if one of us gets lost. Oh, that's pretty. My arm's so pretty. People, hi. Hey, got away from the guy. Anyway, so I think we're close to our exit now, I think. I don't know. Because right now, he has directions. I'm just following him. We can't talk to each other. Because I don't have an intercom system, apparently. But, however, that's okay. The best part about this bike is that I don't need to take, like, pull over to take a break or anything like that, or stretch out my back or whatever. It's actually really nice. I like that. That's one thing I really like about this bike. It's comfy. Oh, look at that. Let's see what this case is all about. That's cool. That was anticlimactic. God, it's bright. I've been having my mirror visor down the whole ride, and I just pulled up for 1 second. Oh, my bad. And oh my God, it's super bright outside. I'll just have it down. I'll just suffocate. We're going to speed limit, don't worry. Let's see what this place has to offer. Hey. Looks like this is a place you could. It's all like. Oh. I feel like this is a place that you could just camp out here. Huh? It is. Hey, kayak. Hey. Or no, not. That's not a kayak. Not a horse. Oh, you know what? I should have almost looked guns. Oh well. You turn in a blind corner. Like that's going to work out well. Hey, how's it going? Oh, no way. That's whack. Oh, that was an animal right there too. Yeah, you get all these old people who aren't waving back. Hell no, you cycle way over here, dude? Nah, I would never do that. Well, you do have a water bladder, so I guess that's alright. But still, I'll be like, I'm dying. Motorcyclist. Let's see if he says hi to us. Oh, we don't have motorcyclists that pass by. Hey, another motorcyclist. Wow, there's a lot of motorcyclists over here lately. Will he say hi? Notice me, senpai. Notice me. Hey, he noticed me. Good. not sure how much further we're going to have to go up, basically. Water uses... Huh. Okay. That looks like we got a ways up to go still. Oh my god. Oh, that's because we're literally right by a lake. Oh, we're here. Cool. Finally. Patrick, your turn signal is on. Just let me know. Yay, we're here. What's this? Oh, my turn's still on.
To me, it's not really worth paying, you know?
Yeah.
So that's how I figured.
Okay, and this road's closed because apparently there's a extreme fire danger around.
Yeah.
Yay, we're gonna burn to hell. Oh look, there's rimfire over there too, you can tell.
Oh shit.
Oh, I guess we could chill here,
For a few, huh?
drink our drinks.
Yeah. Take a picture or two. Man, you need to paint your damn bike.
Yeah, I know.
Like, I don't care for it that much.
Well, I like it actually a lot. It's just that, you know, I didn't get a chance to clean it the other day. Yeah, I did. I detailed it before. But let me get my keys just in
I
case.
didn't really detail. I just like did a cheap wipe down in the dark, literally.
Yeah, the dart did the job by itself.
My rims look like shit though. Look at them.
I know, right?
They're supposed to look like shiny black, like nice.